Hi guys, today on Asia O'Hara Home, we are decorating this explosive floral mantle. So, if you're ready, let's get to it. Okay, I'm starting with a basic piece of green garland. I'm gonna use this as my anchor, and I'm starting with these adorable faux white wisteria bunches. I can't remember how many I have, but I'm using these. I like to start off with the white first because it stands out so much. So I like to spread these out and make sure everything is nice and even before we move on to the next item. Next, I have this beautiful pink and this soft yet stunning coral. Now let's break it up with some blue. This can go basically anywhere you have room. And as always, all of the silk florals that I'm using today can be found at your local big box craft store. And I like to get them at the end of the season, at the end of spring or summer, because they become very inexpensive. We also have this incredible soft lilac color. And I love these. They're a brighter pink color. They're not as full, but they're very long. So I'm gonna just let these just lounge around and just drape off the mantle where I see fit. We also have a handful of the super long wisteria bunches in the soft lavender. Now I know it's the end of summer, but I just can't let go. So I'm adding just all different various types of brightly colored florals. I have some fruits with oranges and apples and pears, and just everything that has some brightness to it because I love the fall, but I don't want to let go of summer, so just bear with me. Now you guys know I love depth and texture, so with these longer stems, I'm going to allow them to just leap and protrude out of the arrangement. I love for things to look overgrown and lush, so that's what we're gonna try and accomplish with these guys. And lastly, these guys are really gonna live on the edge. These pink beauties are gonna be just reaching for those last little rays of summer sunshine. And a couple of cherry blossoms, because why not? Guys, thanks for spending a little time with me decorating this end of summer floral mantle. I hope you have enjoyed it as much as I have. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.